When we go out for medical outreaches, we meet women with different problems, like women who had been raped, girls with trauma. So we meet them. After identifying them, we help them coming to contact with doctors, and also we have psychologists, and even we can handle them, and we give them to the government authority to deal with them. They are very happy even by seeing us as women doing everything that men do. You know, some people they have a feeling that we women, there are some activities or operations that we cannot do. But for us, everything we engage in. All operations, we do them the same as men do. We do as ladies.